In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an Incognito tab on Google Chrome in just a few seconds. Incognito mode is a very useful feature when you want to browse privately, check a website without saved cookies, or open a fresh session without your usual history and login details getting in the way. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu, which is the main settings and options menu for Chrome. Click on those three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, look for the option that says New Incognito Window. Click it, and Chrome will immediately open a private browsing window. You'll know you're in incognito mode because the window usually has a darker appearance and a private browsing message on the screen. That is the first method, and it's the easiest if you want to use your mouse. Now let's look at a faster method using a keyboard shortcut. If you want to open incognito mode instantly, simply press Ctrl Shift and N together on your keyboard. That's Ctrl Shift and N. As soon as you press that shortcut, Google Chrome will open a brand new incognito window right away. This is a great shortcut to remember because it saves time and works whenever you need private browsing quickly. So just to recap, you can either click the three dots menu and choose New Incognito Window, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift N for the fastest way to open it. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.